Next target. Oh, we got something here. It's not ironing out in the 50s. It says it's down pretty deep. I'm still at like 20, 22 on my sensitivity. It's right there. Alright. We're going deep. Can he do it? With the predator shovel is doing a great job. That was pretty bad. Right there. Alright. Who says this is not great exercise? Alright. What do you think it might be in the plug? What do you think? 50-50. Plug, hole, plug, hole. Hole, plug, hole, plug. Alright. Whoa. Did I miss it? Oh, look at that. I chopped suey to a dime. You know, I was thinking, was that sound like a dime or just is a really corroded penny? Oh God, it's a penny and it's not much left of it. It was right there in that hole right there. Interesting. Anything else in here? Nah, I don't think so. We'll scan it again before I move on. I aerated the soil, by the way. No charge for that service. Move on to the next here, guys.